Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Marketing Cloud, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Adobe Marketing Cloud. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to a new page asking for your credentials. Enter your Adobe ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure there are no typos before moving on. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Adobe Marketing Cloud dashboard. From here, you can navigate to different tools and features available. If you encounter any issues, check your credentials for errors. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. After successful login, explore the various analytics and management tools at your disposal. You are now ready to utilize Adobe Marketing Cloud for your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.